yeah. I'm gonna go get a drink from over there, hon.
I know, I saw those people eyeing it. I'm like, hey.
Yeah, that's all it takes sometimes. Just try, yeah.
Amen. So much in their straws, right?
Ooh, thank you. Some more.
Okay, let's go. Onward we go.
Okay.
Wait, I'm not ready with my camera.
Tell you what,
Wait, I'm not ready.
this is way too easy.
Okay.
You give them back, okay. We're gonna do one more time, and then I give a really, really.
I thought I saw
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you? Good to see you too.
This one. I'm so glad you guys could make it.
Yeah.
You see, you hold it tight.
No, we have it. That's why the sample is there. For samples.
Oh, look at that. How nice.
Wow.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Awesome.
Did you add the bottom part too?
Yeah, I did. Nice job.
Where's yours?
I'm just gonna film.
There you go.
That's awesome.
Awesome. Do you have your card?
Awesome.
I like Austin's one better. I like
Crazy one. Very good.
I just slid it. It's not that easy.
It's not.
Hey.
It's not just sliding.
Oh, smart.
Yeah.
Hey.
It's professional.
Hey.
He does this as a business.
Now I know the secret. Okay.
It's the only endemic bee to Hawaii, but it's endangered. And that's what it looks like in real life. We have rocks to put down so it doesn't blow away. We gotta use those.
See why when you got a good fold.
So you
And we're
can
gonna
fold
fold
it.
it up again. Okay? Okay, guys.
Can I see
Here.
Austin? Wow.
And
So
this
you guys
is-
made the pot and everything.
And this is we made the pot. We got a cutting of a hearts and flowers plant, which is gonna look like this.
Oh,
Except the
cool.
flower is gonna be yellow, she said.
Oh, this is a yellow one. Oh, cool.
It's a yellow flower.
It's important that we keep our environment and the habitat clean for, again, not just for people, but also for the different animals that might be living in that habitat as well. So the question we have here is, you can see, what should you not dump into a stream, river, or wetland? So which of these things should not be dumped into the streams? So toxic chemicals, are you familiar with what toxic chemicals are? Toxic chemicals, trash, aquarium fish, or all of the above?
Well,
Which of these things should
toxic trash and chemicals are one of them, but I
Overthinking.
think also aquarium fish,
Yeah.
because sometimes they can be like invasive fish, so they might start, they might keep growing and there will be too much of them,
So all of the above.
Exactly, all the above and aquarium fish. So there's that, and also you don't know if that environment or habitat is safe for the fish that you're dumping into that stream. So yeah, the answer is the above. So too good. Too good.
Wasn't that from last time?
That's the pool.
Yeah, I like it's so wobbly.
Does it feel like a rabbit?
It feels
tail?
like a rabbit's tail.
Or does it feel like a cotton ball?
It is so soft. Except you can feel the seeds inside.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
That's your Saturdays, but August is our big plant sale.
First Saturday in August.
That's a cute one.
Oh. Then go.
Otherwise, they couldn't be planted here.
Yeah.
Yes, this gets all day sun. Good job.
But I have done some plants before, but most of them just died because I don't really take care of them a
You
lot.
forget to water them.
It's like peas and stuff. Or, you know, like you
Yeah.
gotta put Epsom salt in it.
Standard
or-
plants.
And like we don't have that around, so
Gotcha. The nice thing about these is you really only have to water it like once a week, till the water pours out. Yeah, it's got a porous material.
Look at that. This is so
It's like
good.
taping.
Good idea.
we're gonna go up over there.
Find more?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go and do a rock hunt. Yeah, instead of the Easter hunt, we can do a rock hunt.
So maybe 5 or 6, something like that. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, it's fun because they're all different kind of stones inside.
Chris!
How you been, my friend?
What's up, man? How you?
Good, good, thank you.
You alright? What you working on, Austin?
A rock.
Working on a rock?
Yeah.
Alright.
Event that happens every 2 years for a 2-month period of time. So we open March 8th and we close May 5th. All of the artists are connected by the Pacific. And they
Let me come closer.